Do you want to turn your sheep's wool into hundreds, not trash? Many farmers throw away 90% of potential profit from their wool. We're here to change that.
Oh, wow.
Let's look at the incredible difference proper wool processing can make. On one side, you have massive, dirty, unprocessed fleece. On the other, a small, neat skein of beautifully spun, dyed yarn. The difference in appearance is striking, but the profit difference is even more so. The same amount of wool can earn you coffee money or pay your power bill. It's time to make the switch from trash to treasure. The first step on the wool value ladder is all about pre-shearing preparation. This is where you can make your first bonus. The wrong way involves shearing sheep in a muddy pen, resulting in dirty, rolled-up fleece. The right way means having your sheep in a clean, dry holding area 24 hours before shearing. Watch as experts demonstrate skirting, carefully removing dirty edges, belly wool, and manure tags, leaving you with pristine fleece. A clean, well-skirted fleece can fetch 4 times the price of a dirty one. This is the easiest money you'll ever make.
Oh my goodness.
Now, you're at a crossroads. Do you sell your wool raw, or do you embark on the value-added journey? The answer determines your price. Path 1 is quick and easy. Fleeces are graded, weighed, and baled for the commercial market. However, this path offers low profit for high volume. Path 2, the value-added journey, requires higher effort but promises high reward. This is where wool transforms from a commodity into a craft, dramatically increasing its value. We'll focus on this path for the rest of the video. Step 1 is the art of washing and scouring. Our DIY method shows a satisfying time-lapse of dirty fleece, submerged in a series of hot, soapy water baths with biodegradable soap. Watch as the water runs clear, and the fleece transforms from brown to pristine white. This alone triples the value for hand spinners. Step 2 is the magic transformation of carding and spinning. Hand carders create fluffy wool rolls, while a drum carder blends fibers into beautiful bats. Visually mesmerizing, the spinning wheel then turns roving into strong, consistent yarn. You'll see the price per pound escalating at each stage: raw, washed, carded, and spun. Step 3 is the luxury tier, dyeing and marking. We use natural dyes from kitchen scraps, creating vibrant golds from onion skins and beautiful pinks from beetroot. The final product, artisanal skeins of hand-spun, hand-dyed yarn, beautifully displayed and sold at farmers markets or on Etsy. The customer, a happy crafter, values the story and quality behind each skein. Let's recap your path to profit with an animated comparison. Selling 100 pounds of raw wool at $2 a pound yields $200. But sell 80 pounds of washed and skirted wool at $8 a pound, and you get $640. If you process that with 10 pounds of yarn at $40 a pound, you earn $4,000. Yes, higher labor, but significantly higher returns. One farmer testimonial says, "I thought wool was waste, but now it pays my entire feed bill." Imagine the impact on your bottom line. What you are waiting for? Start turning your fleece into fortune? Comment wool profit below if you liked this video, and hit like button as well. Do not forget to share it with your fellow farmers.